Hey y'all. Me tell us I come with part 2. You think a joke? Alright, so this is part 2 of The Wicked Stepmother. Hope you guys remember to like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend. Say part 2 drop you now. You see me? Yeah. Right now, them for run out like Derek and come watch this part 2. Wicked Stepmother. Thanks for all the support. I love you guys. Keep streaming. Alright, we'll get to our movie. I'm not keep up on the time. This is Kaydon official. The goddess, I'm out. Previously on The Wicked Stepmother.
Daddy?
Yeah. What do you want now?
You know I said, mommy send me down here to come and leave door.
This one piece will be a trouble you get down there.
No, she said she tired of me.
So why hold
you
that?
not help her.
God knows, but I see every moment just light up.
Why that?
Because I see everything in your girl. I tell her, say, you've been single for a long time, you know.
You know, if you say you can't afford time, you come home, go and live with you know. Because my daughter needs somebody, you know, to guide her, you know.
We get up with a plan to send a little girl to go back to her mother. Because she can't stay here, you know. She can't stay here. Oh, me have a plan. Watch me and you. Yeah.
Still asleep. Like you must fat up. Alright. So yeah, stay so long.
Tired, man.
I want to cook so over here. Make sure bit no man, going to do you know some cow skin soup no one.
Alright, I'll go to the supermarket.
But the cow skin are in the fridge and the meat and everything in the fridge. At 5 o'clock I come from work, you know. I start cook for 3:30.
Alright.
Here. Love you. Take care of yourself here. Remember say to take care of it. Make sure she pick up her looking. Looking at them, remember. Focus on that.
You mind?
Yeah.
Alright, be careful.
Yeah.
Take care of which bit. Send bit down our mother. What are them? Where the kitchen looks down? Wait! Wait! Why the kitchen looks down? Who watch this plate?
Because they say every other day no force.
I mean say I must watch them every day.
But yeah, no.
Every single day, every morning when I get up, wash your face, brush your teeth, and come in the kitchen. Stop laughing with me. Come in and run a joke. And wash up, clean up in the kitchen. But want the kitchen, give me this, because my father gave this a phone, you already on a phone business. Every day the flipping phone. Listen to me. Wash up them here. We want in the kitchen clean, like a whistle, speak as pan.
Because I'm going to say I have money coming.
Which man is to me with little girl?
It's going to hear from phone.
Let me tell you this. Let me tell you this. You say if you want me this, yeah, don't touch me.
You don't.
Don't touch me before me tell your father say you fight me off, you know. And you know me, believe me. Humble yourself. You say if you want me this bird, and tell your father nothing what you don't know about, me kill you. Remember. Me kill you.
Remember saying your mother
Me don't want to be mother to chickling like you. Remember say you're unwanted. Because your mama run you left you 1 year now. I know we can't get a phone call for your mother. Unwanted chickling. That you name. Me know my mother, me know where to find him. Wash up the plate.
You find my mother. And every day and day me come out of this and my father fish for me like child no say you know.
One from now. One from now.
That's what I'm doing.
One from now. Me not make life. One from now. One from now.
Still, you go down.
Your father love me do.
Oh, but I don't mean because stepfather never used to be with me. So every day this young man I come text it for me.
Okay. Applaud you. Go on. Let me and my man live in peace. Go. Go on. Applaud you. Round of applause. Best thing me ever hear you say out of your mouth from me know your breath. Go on. The door is wide open. Go on. Me want peace with me man.
But I'm not going to do this kind of thing.
Who not do nothing?
You.
Look a girl. I mean you talk to. Okay. I mean your size. Hmm? I mean your size. Eh? This belongs to me whether you like it or not. It belongs to me. One way or the other. Me I send you down your mother. Me I forget you out at this house here. Remember that. You're too rank.
Check my phone with man.
You see me and chat on phone with man.
Yeah.
Eh? You see me and chat on phone with man. Eh? Keep this short. That me I tell you. Keep it short.
Keep it.
Keep that short. You see if you open up your mouth and say nothing to your father, look a girl. Eh? You will even know for me and you. Open up your mouth. Boy, you still on phone. Wash the plate then. Good luck to you. But you know, say that look a girl that old harder. Eh? When she sit down and listen to me and talk on my phone for, like me and her size. Hmm? But I can't afford for her to tell babes, you know. Because if she tell babes my plan, mash up. Don't fuck. So I have to go try her for now. Alright. So that 5 is I'm gonna use take and buy cigarette. I give her until I say to go buy ice cream. I love him belly, you know. Food I go catch him. Yeah, use this because she can't mash up my plan. So Alright. Breathe. Breathe.
Yeah, me answer you.
You need to talk to your pass the phone. After you get that phone, that's all you depend. Listen me now. We need to have. You see that's why me cannot agree. You have too much mouth.
I have too much tongue.
We need to have a conversation with you. This is what I'm saying now. Me and you live under one roof. Three we live under one roof. That means that we cannot live like pussy and dog breath. So, I want me to live good, not only in the presence of my father. Listen, me I talk to you, come on for the phone.
Me not there for the phone.
Looking at me eye, me I talk to you. We need to live good. Because if your father get me pregnant, that's a brother or a sister. And we cannot live bad, we are family.
Yeah, me not could do. Like you say, if you get pregnant, then I have to go back down.
Because you know, the manners, look what you did I do earlier, me I talk to you still down in a phone. These are the things like your mother never teach you proper knowledge and how to act as a normal citizen.
So this is my comfort. My father died from the forest.
Breath. We not disclude the fact that it's a comfort. You cannot in it 24 hours of the day. You have to get up and do something else. And when I talk to you, I don't need you to give me no attitude. I will give it back to you. But back to me, I say, cut it short. We don't need to argue. I come to make up with you, Brits, so we can live good. Take this $500. I eat my half. And you can take it and buy ice cream because today is Sunday.
Yeah, then yes, you're supposed to be eating money.
Yeah, take the $500 you give me a chat.
See, this is what I'm
Brit. Alright, I'm sorry. Sorry. Take this, my stepdaughter, nice and cute and girly, and go and buy ice cream. I don't want nothing. This is $500, it's yours. So if you want to take it and buy something else, it's up to you. Here. So you can't say thanks. Alright, Brit. Alright, Brit. So your father call you. And Simon tell me how to cook the cow skin soup. Oh, Brit. One more thing I forgot to talk to you about. It's my night kitchen, that's what I say. You gotta tell your father, say, you hear me talk on the phone with man. Brit, why would you want to do a thing like that?
Because you're cheating.
I'm not cheating, Brit. I'm my uncle, your father know my people then. And him take care of me, also you, because when him send money, you get out title for go to school. Your father know him. So you don't need to go and tell your father.
Stop right there, sir. My father now mechanics.
Your father know the man. Remember, say before we move come here, no, Brit, your father come on me yard, you know my mother, my cousin, my uncle, my sister, my brother, everybody for me. So we live good as a family, we tell one another, we love one another. So if you say to him, mention him, say, Jordan have an uncle, he may say yes. But if you go and tell him, say, me have man, me and him go war. You want argument in the house between me and your father? So you don't need to go say that to him. Quash it there, so. Alright? We have a deal? Think about it. We have a deal. Yeah, we have a deal? Think about it. Give me a hug. And you know, say I love my stepdaughter. So you don't need to have Musa with me. You know? Yeah. Do your thing. Do your thing.
Try bribe me enough to tell the move inside, man. Must think you're idiot. You're a dog.
I'm John. Yo, Chapo.
I do God me like them young lines and I have to tell and John what I go and them a killing data with leak over here. So sir, sitting around man and what could I was so?
And John. And John.
Yo!
I go on with.
Fast. Yo, what go on?
I go on with
Me there, man. Forward, man. So what go on, me killer?
Yeah, no, I pass through skills.
Yeah. So what go on?
I was going to come to tell you what go on with your woman and your daughter, you know.
Tell me what go on.
You know, say me a pass and sit there and kill him with leak. The box and sitting in her face. Me have to one day if I look picking him a deal with, so I want big woman.
My woman? No, man, my woman not there sitting there. My woman love my daughter.
And I kill him with leak.
No, man, me not believe that one, man.
How comes? I want to check out that seat then, because
Yeah, that, no, check out it still, but I tell you, say, yo, she cheat me daughter, lovely man, she don't even do her nothing, man, I'll send her go buy ice cream and then sitting there. She cheat her good, man, so, you sure?
Yeah, man, me sure.
Are you see?
I pass, so I when you sit there and seem like you're not there and sitting.
Oh, you straight them ain't gonna walk, you know?
And me I pass and sitting and
But
see, man.
for one day, my daughter kind of grumble and tell me, say, yo, you know, too like it. My stepmother ain't stepmother, you know. Yes, so me ask, but when me ask him, say, why you know like his stepmother, I not talk. But me check out it later, man.
Yeah, man, you have to find out, man.
Yeah,
That's
man.
what I go out, man. Go there, you know.
Yeah.
Pass, you have pass through still, yeah.
Alright, go on, do your thing, man.
Yeah.
Alright, hold on. Thank you for your news, man. Good. Hold on for the 5 years.
Yeah, man, that's enough.
Alright, respect.
Uh,
Come here. I want to wash out them clothes here, you know, but wash them out this way now. Come here. So then I said, I want to talk to you about something.
Yes, sir.
So I'll go on my daughter.
Oh, there.
So how's school?
Yeah, right.
You know, say I want to ask you something.
How about that?
For your stepmother coming in, moving your stepmother, I don't see your face too bright, you know. You understand? You're not get on good. You sure about that one then? You know what I want to ask you something? I had one of my news carrier. Serious, one of my news carrier pass and here say them a beat you. The woman a beat you. Someone want to know for true that.
I don't know.
You don't know? So I beat you for true. You must say I'm your father, you know, you cannot tell me no lie, you know. Tell me what?
Well,
This birth. And tell your father nothing what you don't know about. Me kill you. Remember. Me kill you.
Brit, me a chat to you. Remember. When you say this, I chat to you. Where's something?
as me say, I just do one misunderstanding.
You know, say, one of my news carrier pass. Right as I sit down, if me don't even think you hear the man come right as I come tell me saying see your stepmother beat you with must say tick or something or whatever. Tell me say I lie, me I tell you.
I don't see a lie, tell me don't see a lie, but
Why am I beat you? Tell me why am I beat you?
that is say if me tell her she can't kill me.
He can't kill you. Who have killed my precious darling, my one daughter? He can't do that day. You know what me I go do? I go find out something. I pretend like me I go work one day. Yeah, and hide in my house. And find out what really I go on between you and she, because I know you don't want to tell me, you know, but me I go sitting there. Because why me get one woman have to teach her things that abuse you? That is the reason why I get one woman, so she can teach her things.
Next time on The Wicked Stepmother. What's your name? Listen to me. Remember, you know, your father so breed me. Anytime he breed me, I have to go back up and your mother go stay. Can't stay down here. So they give me a talk. Wash them.
Hey guys, you have reached at the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Tell a friend, and next week we'll be back with part 3. Goodbye.
Boom!